Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX after failing. First, it's crucial to acknowledge your previous attempt and identify areas for improvement. Don't let a past setback define your future success. Cultivate a positive and resilient mindset, believing in your ability to conquer the exam. Take time to thoroughly understand the NCLEX exam format, including question types and content distribution. This foundational step is vital for effective preparation and building confidence for your next attempt. Now, let's talk about effective study methods. Pinpoint the specific content areas where you struggled previously and dedicate extra time to mastering them. Don't just review, truly understand the concepts. Incorporate a diverse range of study materials, including textbooks, online courses, and question banks with at least 2,000 practice questions. Develop a realistic and structured study schedule, setting achievable daily and weekly goals to maintain momentum and track your progress. As test day approaches, preparation extends beyond just studying. Practice under simulated test conditions, completing full-length, timed exams to build stamina and familiarity. This helps reduce surprises on the actual day. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being by ensuring adequate sleep, nutritious meals, and regular breaks. Develop personalized strategies for managing test anxiety, such as deep breathing exercises or positive affirmations, to stay calm and focused during the exam. For your final review, don't just focus on getting answers right. Thoroughly review the rationales for every practice question, whether you answered correctly or incorrectly. This deepens your understanding and reinforces critical thinking. On exam day, trust in the hard work you've put in and approach each question with a confident, calm demeanor. Remember, you've prepared diligently and you are capable of passing. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.